Speaking of being offended, Razer, the gaming company that everybody knows and loves, they're making products that are not gamer-oriented or gamer-centric. They're branching out, and they have a new work-from-home setup, which is more minimal. And you can see it here. It's a real departure for them. I don't blame them. A lot of people in the work-from-home kind of scenario right now, looking for maybe a clean or minimal type of keyboard and mouse. And if you're already making them, you just change the styling a little bit.
Yeah.
In the case of the keyboard, maybe more so. The mouse sort of looks like something completely unique. In fact, the mouse, they worked with an ergonomics company called Human Scale. They do a lot of office furniture. Am I right about that? Is it Human Scale? Yes, they did. They worked with Human Scale to come up with an ergonomic shape or design. It actually looks kind of reminiscent of the mouse that you and I use and everybody in this studio uses, which is the variety of master mice dating. This is the third one over here, but I've had every single version,
One here.
even back to the performance. The shape of it for ergonomics, very nice. They're calling theirs the Pro Click, and it's designed to keep the wrist at a neutral 30-degree angle to minimize the risk of developing conditions such as tendonitis and carpal tunnel. It has palm, thumb, and pinky supports to reduce the strain because you're working from home. You're on this thing all day long. The keyboard is going to be backlit with white LEDs that are durable, 80 million keystrokes. It's not going to be cheap. It will have Razer Pro key switches, Razer's orange mechanical key switches. The keyboard's $140 and the mouse is $100. So it better be pretty good because in the sort of, what would you call it? The productivity space, that's quite expensive. Maybe less so in the gamer space, but in the productivity space, that's quite expensive for those accessories. So we'll see how it shakes out for them. But, you got to branch out. Times change. You got to branch out.
It's a smart move.
I mean, that's a good look. That desk right there, look at that thing. You could maybe get some work done. I don't know.
No.
Probably play Flight Simulator.
Of course.